They say money talks. But what if it's whispering a secret? One so quiet most people don't even hear it? Imagine a business model quietly building wealth behind the scenes while the world chases flashy trends and overnight sensations. What if I told you this isn't some myth or get rich quick fantasy, but a proven path that's made countless people rich in silence? Stick around, because what I'm about to reveal could change your financial future forever. Most people jump from one shiny opportunity to another, chasing quick wins and viral success stories. It's like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. Exciting at first, but usually ending in disappointment. Ever felt that frustration? That nagging fear you're missing out while others pull ahead? You're not alone. This fear pushes millions to act impulsively, burning money on courses, products, or investments, promising a fortune but rarely delivering. Here's the truth: chasing noise never builds real wealth. The secret lies in mastering a quiet, steady business model that builds lasting income, brick by brick. Think of it like planting a tree. It doesn't scream for attention, but day by day, it grows stronger. Years later, it bears fruit that feeds you for a lifetime. The question is, will you start planting your tree today, or wait for another big break that may never come? Because waiting usually means watching others pass you by. Before you dismiss this as another generic business idea, let me introduce you to affiliate marketing, the silent giant of online business. Some might think, affiliate marketing? Isn't that just spammy ads and endless emails? That's the stereotype. But let me break it down. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you help generate. No inventory, no customer complaints, no huge startup costs. It's scalable, flexible, and accessible to almost anyone willing to learn. This isn't just for tech wizards or sales geniuses. Ordinary people are using this model to replace full-time incomes and even retire early. Here's the catch: top affiliates don't spam or push products on strangers. They build genuine trust, offer real value, and use smart automation to multiply efforts. This isn't about quick hacks. It's about creating a quiet, reliable income stream that grows month after month. Think of it like dating, but instead of ghosting, you're nurturing long-term relationships that pay off. Imagine a network of people who trust your recommendations because you consistently provide helpful advice. That trust turns into clicks, and those clicks into commissions. Here's what most people don't tell you: the online marketplace is exploding like never before. E-commerce sales are booming, and companies pour billions into digital marketing. But amidst this chaos, the loudest voices drown out the quiet winners. This is your moment, a chance to step into the calm space where real wealth quietly accumulates, away from the hype. But beware, the longer you wait, the more crowded this space becomes. Early adopters are already harvesting huge wins. Imagine looking back a year from now, wishing you had started today. It's the same feeling millions get watching others succeed, because they hesitated. No, you don't need to be a tech genius or master salesperson. You need persistence, willingness to learn, and a smart strategy. You can start with just a computer and internet access. The barriers to entry are lower than ever. But don't mistake easy for instant. This model requires discipline and patience. Building trust and authority doesn't happen overnight, but once established, it supports you for years. Here's an example. Sarah, a 29-year-old single mom from Texas, started affiliate marketing with zero experience. Within 18 months, she replaced her full-time income and gained financial freedom to spend more time with her kids. She didn't chase flashy trends or quick hacks. She built quietly, one step at a time. You might wonder, is this really for me? If you're watching this, you're hungry for change. You want to make wise financial decisions and live a wealthy lifestyle. This business model offers a path without the noise or complexity of other ventures. So, what's next? If you're serious about building wealth and want to learn how to tap into this silent business model, Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. In my next video, I'll walk you through step-by-step strategies to launch your affiliate marketing business. No fluff, just actionable advice. Don't miss the chance to build a future where your money works for you, even while you sleep. While others chase noise, you can grow silently and powerfully. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.